Alright guys, so I'm taking the Morphe 35P palette, and for my transition shade I'm just taking this cool tone purple. Next I'm taking the shade and I'm just putting that a little bit lower in the crease just to darken it up slowly. Next I'm taking this darker purple and just putting that in the outer corner. Next I'm taking this shimmery light purple and just putting that on the lid. Next I'm taking these two shades and mixing them together to put in the outer corner just to darken it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to be taking this kind of white shadow and just putting that on the brow bone. And then going in on the lower lash line, I'm just taking some of those purples again. Next I'm taking this really matte pretty purple and putting it on my cheeks, I guess. Basically where you put your concealer, you're going to take this and blend it downwards onto your cheek. I'm just kind of creating this cool, I don't know, like purple gypsy. You'll see later. Then I'm taking my Inglot gel liner number 77, it's just their regular black, and I'm taking a small eyeliner brush and just creating these like lightning bolts under the eyes. Then I'm taking the purple shadow and just going over that just so the black isn't too harsh. Then I'm taking the ABH Amrezy highlighter and going over that just so it's more of a metallic kind of purple. Next I'm taking the Urban Decay AC/DC glitter liner and going over those lightning strikes. I'm also going to add the glitter in the inner corners. Then I'm taking the highlighter and just adding it in regular places and kind of blending out those purple edges. And to contour, I'm taking the Tarteist Pro Contour palette. I'm also using that same gel liner just to create some symbols on my forehead, and then I'm also using it to fill in my lips. I'm going to be taking that same glitter liner and adding it on the lips, just like a straight line right in the middle on the bottom lip. And then I'm also going to fill in the little symbols on my forehead as well. Then I'm just applying my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara on the bottom and top lashes. And this is the completed look. This is my very last Halloween look of the year. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.